New Erin Condren is in the house. I had to. This is going to be one of my worst filmed videos of lifetime, but here we go. This is what we're doing. We're going to give her an opensies and take a peeksies together. I've never done it like this, but it's okay because we're going to have fun. First of all, enjoy. I will. I'm positive of that. Oh, the bubble wrap, the fun. First of all, the planner. I didn't use this last year. It's a sampler pack. But it starts literally in April. And it goes until the planner itself actually starts, the end of June. So you can start your planning with all the different layouts and designs. So, what did I get? I got myself these wildflower stickers because I'm obsessed with these. I'm obsessed with the wildflower stickers. And I have a method to my madness this year. I got myself the dual tip metallic list markers because they've been calling to me. So I finally got it for myself. They're black, fine point on one side, and then like checklist in metallic-y, beautiful colors on the other. Had to. I got myself the Wildflower Magnetic To-Do List Dashboard Bookmark. Because I had to. I'm going to explain why in a minute. I got myself these pastel dual tip in Spruce Sand, Rose Pink, French Violet, Powder Blue, and Charcoal. These are the pastels. Did I need them? Did I get them anyway? Okay, this, it's bent. Okay, it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. We're not going to freak out. This is one of the gifts that come with the planner this year, and that is the black dual tip marker. I'm not going to open everything up in that. This is one of the gifts. And then here is my beautiful planner, which also does come again this year with the stencil ruler, like put it where you want it as you go along situation, which is my favorite. The customization I got is this verse. Oh Lord, send your light and truth. Didn't have enough room for the full verse and reference, but it's been a verse that's been very important to my life for many years. So I did get, this is going to be a surprise. I got the bouquet as the planner cover. But the insides this year, which I've never ever done before, I got the canvas guts, which means it's plain. This is why I got extras of the wildflower. I'm going to turn this back into a wildflower-esque design planner. So this is totally plain. Totally plain. With gray tabs. But I got myself, there's the dashboard. I got myself their new dashboard design layout, which means here is the week of, and then here is the dashboard for the week. I love the concept of this design. I was not going to order until Monthly Deluxe came out, because truthfully, Monthly Deluxe is what I use the most. But I found this style so freaking intriguing. I couldn't wait. And I did not get a full 18-month. I just got the 2026 planner. Like, that's all I got. I did not get to start in July. And I also added additional notes pages because I go crazy for adding notes pages. So I did the $10 upgrade for all the additional note pages because they mean the most to me. And that's why I think I get so excited and use the Monthly Deluxe so much every year, is because of that very purpose. So, but I love this cover. It matches beautifully. The markers, it's still going to go beautifully with wildflowers and this whole setup. So we're going to go with it and we're going to rock it out this year, Erin Condren style. I can't wait.